Hey Jack, what's your favorite holiday and why?
Hey Sarah, that's a tough question. I think my favorite holiday would have to be Christmas. I love spending time with my family, decorating the tree, and eating lots of delicious food. What about you?
I love Halloween. Dressing up in costumes and going trick-or-treating with my friends is so much fun. Plus, I have a bit of a sweet tooth, so all the candy is a bonus.
That's awesome. I used to love Halloween when I was a kid, but I'm not a big fan of scary stuff anymore. What's your least favorite holiday?
That's a tough one. I guess my least favorite holiday would have to be Valentine's Day. It can be so stressful trying to find the perfect gift or plan the perfect date. What about you?
I think my least favorite holiday would have to be Groundhog Day. It just seems so random and pointless. How do you usually spend your holidays?
It depends on the holiday, but I usually spend them with my family. We might have a big meal together, play games, or watch movies. What about you?
Same here. Spending time with family is always the best part of any holiday. Do you do anything special with your family on holidays?
Yeah, we usually have some traditions. On Christmas Eve, we always bake cookies and watch a Christmas movie together. And on Thanksgiving, we go around the table and say what we're thankful for. What about you?
That's so cool. My family doesn't really have any specific traditions, but we always make sure to take a family photo on every holiday. It's fun to look back on them and see how we've all grown and changed over the years. Have you ever celebrated any holidays from a different culture?
Yes, I've celebrated Diwali with some of my Indian friends before. It was really interesting to learn about their traditions and try new foods. Have you?
Yeah. I've celebrated Chinese New Year with a friend's family before. It was amazing to see the lion dance and try all the different types of dumplings. Speaking of different holidays, have you ever heard of Kwanzaa?
Yes, I have. It's a holiday celebrated in the African American community, right?
That's right. It's a week-long celebration of African American culture and heritage. I've always been interested in learning more about different cultures and their holidays. How about you?
Same here. I love learning about different customs and traditions. It's so fascinating to see how people celebrate around the world. Do you have any funny holiday stories?
Oh man, I have so many. One time, my little cousin got into the Christmas tree ornaments and started hanging them all over himself. He looked like a walking Christmas tree. How about you?
Haha, that's hilarious. One time, my dog ate all the Easter eggs before we could find them. We were searching for hours and finally realized what had happened when we saw him with a belly full of candy.
That's too funny. Do you have any favorite holiday movies or songs?
Definitely. My favorite holiday movie is Elf, and my favorite holiday song is All I Want for Christmas Is You, by Mariah Carey. How about you?
I love Elf, too. And for holiday songs, I can never go wrong with Last Christmas, by Wham! Or Jingle Bell Rock.
Those are great choices. Well, it was great talking to you about holidays, Jack. I'm looking forward to the next one.
Same to you, Sarah. Happy holidays.